A cup of green tea, sugar-free and worry-free. Hi everyone, welcome back to Life Beyond Sugar Spikes. If you're looking for a simple, comforting and healthy addition to your daily routine, let me introduce you to the magic of green tea. Today, we'll dive into why this sugar-free beverage is an amazing choice for anyone managing diabetes. First things first, green tea is completely free of sugar and calories when you enjoy it plain. That's already a win for stable blood sugar levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Let's talk about the science behind green tea. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Two big wins for anyone managing diabetes. Plus, drinking green tea regularly can support better heart health and even help with weight management. Studies have found that drinking green tea may help lower fasting blood sugar levels over time. It's not a magic cure, but it's a powerful tool in your diabetes toolkit. Now that you know why green tea is such a superstar, let's make the perfect cup. Here's what you'll need: high-quality green tea leaves or tea bags, freshly boiled water, and this is important, patience. Bring your water to a boil and then let it cool slightly. Green tea is best brewed at around 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid bitterness. Add 1 teaspoon of loose leaves or 1 tea bag to your cup or teapot. Pour the water over the tea and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain or remove the tea bag and you're ready to enjoy. Here are a few tips to keep your green tea delicious and diabetes-friendly. Skip the sugar and honey. Instead, try adding a slice of lemon for a refreshing twist. Want a touch of sweetness? A pinch of stevia or monk fruit works great. Experiment with flavors. Jasmine green tea or matcha are fun options to try. Dear viewers, remember this: green tea is not just a drink, it's a ritual. Taking a few minutes to sip slowly and relax can help reduce stress, which is another important factor in managing blood sugar. Please share your thoughts and experiences drinking your favorite kind of tea. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little green tea inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to Life Beyond Sugar Spikes for more tips and recipes to help you live your best diabetic-friendly life. See you next time.